Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to clean your mixer grinder with a DIY cleaner. First thing first, unplug the mixer grinder and take out all the removable parts. This included the jar, blades and lids. Now let's make our DIY cleaner. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add a few drops of dish soap and little bit of caustic soda and mix until it form a paste. Take a sponge and cloth and dip it into the paste. Use this to scrub all the removable parts of the mixture grinder for a minute until use a damp cloth to wipe it down. Dip a soft sponge into the mixture and use it to scrub the exterior of the mixture grinder. This will help remove any stubborn stain or grime. For the interior of the mixture grinder, mix together equal part of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture inside the jar and let it sit for a few minutes. Then use a soft brush to scrub away any remaining residue. Finally, rinse everything thoroughly with warm water and dry it a clean cloth. And that's it. With just a few simple ingredients and some elbow grease, you can keep your mixer grinder looking and working like new. Once you are done cleaning, rinse off all the parts with water and dry them thoroughly with a clean towel. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembling the mixer grinder, and that's it. Your mixer grinder is now sparkling clean and ready to use again. Remember to clean your mixer grinder regularly to keep it in good conditions. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means everything to me. Creating content in my passion and knowing that you enjoy it makes all the hard work worth it. Whether you are here for the laugh, inspiration and just to pass the time, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am constantly striving to improve and bringing you the best content possible. Your feedback is always welcome and appreciated, so don't hesitate to reach out. I promise to continue bringing you entertaining and informative content that you can enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.